The Islamic Arts Biennale logo is a typographic wordmark that focuses on the graphic evolvement of Arabic calligraphy. It represents the journey of the Arabic script as a visual expression that traveled around the world and returned to Jeddah, evolving from the classic, sacred, traditional calligraphy into different lettering styles that are found in the streets and in the daily cultural typographic landscape around us. The minimalist lettering style used in the words Awwal Bait is inspired by the thick and thin calligraphic pen stroke of Arabic calligraphy, yet it's expressed in a modern graphic character, taking inspiration from the underrepresented expression of the script that we can find in packaging, in book covers, in posters in Saudi Arabia and across the region, and using this as part of a visual identity that's not typically used within an Islamic context.
Extending on the Biennale's themes of belonging, identity, and migration, we wanted to celebrate Arabic type archives that are associated with our everyday rituals of belonging. So we wanted to bring together both historic and contemporary forms of Arabic type that are related to these rituals. And we looked particularly at traditional forms of Arabic script and Arabic calligraphy. But then we also wanted to celebrate Arabic type in all of its diversity, in its associations in Jeddah, how we find it in the street, in forms of packaging.
For the inaugural edition of the Islamic Arts Biennale, we wanted to create a brand and an identity that captures the evolution and vibrancy of Islamic arts from the historic through to the contemporary. This is a principle that underpins our exhibition throughout and is key to linking our past to our present and looking forward to our future.